Okay, so now that we had our final solution, our last thing was to just compare it with the one that we did using the other thing. So this is our final solution. We can go and compare it with this other final solution that we got in the other using the other method. So it's 3x squared, and you can see there's a 3x squared, then 10x, and here you can see that there's a 10x as well. Then we have a minus 1 over x squared, which is there here. Then we have a positive 2 here. So we can rewrite the order, doesn't matter. You can still do it here to say y prime will be 3x squared plus 10x. Then since this is negative, wherever you put it, it's negative. So it's going to be negative 1 over x squared, unless you change its sign to take it to the other side of the equal sign, but we are not. Then we have a 2, which is a positive, so it's going to be a plus 2. And this is going to be your final solution, and this is our y prime. So you can see that both of them are the same. Both of them agree, 3x squared and a 3x squared, a 10x and a 10x. Here, a negative 1 over x squared and a negative 1 over x squared, then a positive 2 and another positive 2. This is not even hard. This is simple. This is a walk in the park for us. We know how to expand, and when we expand, we know how to differentiate polynomials. These are just basic polynomials, nothing complicated at all. So that is it. Goodbye for now. We go on and do part C in the next video. Bye.